Boom! What's up everybody? My name is Kim Skogwell and today we'll be doing part 2 of a 3-part series on luminosity masks. This one is kinda, most people I don't think will call it a luminosity mask, but it is, in my opinion, and we'll get to it here in just a second. If you like this tutorial, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, leave some comments down below. And make sure you check out part 3 when that comes out. That's gonna be the more involved one. And I will also have a giveaway on it when I reach 100 subscribers. So read the description on that and find out how you can enter to win a luminosity mask preset that I made. That gives you, by the click of a button, gives you 5 highlights, 5 midtones, and 5 shadow masks you can use. Okay, let's get to it. Cool, so here we are inside Affinity Photo again, and we're going to be taking a look at the second part of this luminosity mask tutorial. And this one is really quick and easy, and you wouldn't think it's a luminosity mask, but it actually is, if you think about it. So let's just go in here and make a levels adjustment again. We just gotta exaggerate some stuff. There we go. And now if you go up to this little blend ranges gear icon up here, you click it, you get this dialog box up. And now we have underlaying composition ranges, and we have source layer ranges. We're going to be concentrating about this underlaying composition ranges. So we're on the levels adjustment we did. So here we can take this node and we can just pull it down, and then we take out whatever adjustments we did out of the darks, the shadow areas of the image. And on this side, it would be, we take it out of the highlights. You can see, if you pay attention down here on the water, you can see now we have a blue, and now it turns white because we clipped it out. And you can do it however you want here. This is the linear way. If you click down here, you can make it look exactly how you want, and you can just add as many of these nodes that you want. And it doesn't just work on levels or exposure adjustments. If we go down here, we can do an HSL. And let's say we want to fix the grass here, so you just click it on the green. I'm going to adjust it to include some of the oranges. And then we can go here and make it look a little bit more fally and take down maybe the saturation just a little bit there. We have the HSL layer selected. Again, blend ranges, go up here, and now we can take out some of that color in the highlights, or maybe we want them back in the highlights and take them out of, if you right click on these nodes when you make them, you remove them if you make more than 2. So you can see here it works just as the one on the levels. So this is how you can fine-tune your adjustments with a luminosity mask. This is very quick, easy. It's a little bit more complicated. It's a little bit harder to see what you're actually doing, but this is a great way. You can also change the profile here of the coverage map. So this, you see, is a linear profile. And then we can just be done. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you like this, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And don't forget to post some comments down below. How do you use luminosity masks? That's it. See you next time.